Successful business owners all have one thing in common: they are never satisfied with sales levels. Whether you are making $10,000 a year or $1 million a year, there is always a possibility for growth. Growth only comes when you realize it can happen. You will not grow if you are content or can't see the future possibilities for growth. Here are 3 easy ways that you can transform your business from the level it is at into a profit-making machine. 1. Always track statistics. This may seem obvious, but most people never do it. You should always track and gather as much information as possible. Track walk-in customers, track purchases, evaluate marketing, monitor amount of purchases, frequent visitors, non-buying prospects, etc. With this knowledge you will be more informed as to how your marketing dollars are doing and where you can increase production. 2. Find people you can trust. For my websites I have one person that writes nearly full-time for me. I can send her topics for articles or websites, and she does the research and writes well thought out articles. I can pay her in advance and know that she is going to be there when I need writing at the last minute. You definitely need people you can trust as well. These people may be your managers, family members, or just friends who can help in a pinch. 3. Develop your passion. Sometimes I need to take a drive through the country to remember why I love what I am doing. It is easy to get caught up in the fray of customer service and deadlines, but for me the most productive time is always when I am out of my business element. Use this time away to revive your passion. Next time you are thinking that it is not possible for your business to make money, remember and put these 3 easy tips into practice.